What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to guide you on how to open an LLC in the United States as a non-US resident. This guide provides detailed steps and essential information to help you navigate the process, understanding the benefits, and comply with legal and tax requirements. By following this guide, you will be well on your way to establish a successful business in the US market. So first, you need to understand the advantages of a non-US resident LLC. Opening an LLC in the US provides access to the enormous US market, American venture capitalists and investors, and can increase a foreign company's reputation and credibility. Choose the appropriate state for LLC formation. Some non-citizens prefer states like Delaware, Wyoming, or Nevada for their privacy protection, lack of state personal income tax, and minimal annual reporting requirements. Determine non-resident alien status. Ensure you meet the criteria for a non-resident alien and understand the legal requirements, tax implications, and immigration considerations. Choose a distinct LLC business name. Select a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC that complies with the naming rules of the states you've chosen. Appoint a registered agent. You will need a registered agent with a physical address in the state where you're forming your LLC. This agent will receive legal documents and official notices on behalf of your company. Apply for an Employer Identification Number or EIN. Non-US citizens starting a foreign LLC will need to obtain an EIN from the IRS for tax purposes. If you cannot apply for an EIN, you can get a U.S. Taxpayer's Identification Number or ITIN from the IRS. Prepare essential formation documents. Prepare and file the Articles of Organization with a Secretary of State in your chosen state. This document officially establishes your LLC, and you'll need to provide details like your LLC's name, address, and the purpose of your business. Establish a U.S. bank account. Open a business bank account in your state for receiving wire transfers, paying bills, and invoices. A local bank account will also help with merchant accounts and payment processors. Choose your management structure. Decide whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed and outline this in your operating agreement. Understand tax implications for non-US citizens. LLCs are taxed as flow-through entities, meaning profits flow directly to the owners who include them on their tax returns. Non-US citizens may face additional tax considerations, so it's essential to consult with a tax professional. Legal and immigration considerations. Ensure you comply with all legal and immigration requirements for non-US citizens starting a business in the US. Seek professional guidance if needed. And that's it. By following this guide, you've gained valuable insights into the process, legal considerations, and tax implications. Remember, starting a business in a new country can be complex, but with the right information and guidance, you can establish a thriving enterprise. We wish you the best of luck on your journey to success in the US market. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.